What are we doing? What are you doing right now?
And chuck back the car and all these wheels like this.
Yeah?
So I can get all those dirt out.
Okay.
But now, driving all the way over there, I see there's some dirt, so I'm gonna vacuum it.
Okay. Get started. Sucking up?
Yeah.
What about inside? What about the seats? What about in the seats?
Hey, Dad, what to use the bigger one?
Okay, you can add the, hey, don't pull it, add the attachment on it. Is that gonna work?
Yep.
There you go. That extends it out. Okay, so let's turn it on. Is it working? Not the ground, silly. Not the ground, in the car, right here. Get it inside the car, there's a lot of dirt in there. There you go. How about over there? Behind the, yeah, there you go. Did that clean up good?
Yep.
All right, what's next? You want to spray your car and wipe it down
Yep.
with the spray? Here, let me get it for you. Let me get you a towel and a spray, okay? Here's the spray right here. This spray. Here you go. And the towel is all you need. Are you vacuuming the driveway? What are you vacuuming? The driveway? What are you doing?
These ones. This ones. I'm done, Dad.
Okay, here's the spray.
Thank you.
Let me go get a towel for you, okay? Ready to vacuum? Or at least, I'm sorry, wipe your car down?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Just use a little bit of spray. Not too much, that's enough. Just a little bit, there you go.
Car's gonna smell super good here. Oh my gosh.
What kind of spray is that?
Chemicals.
Chemicals. Not chemicals for kids, right?
Nope. But you just
Or chemicals that are safe for kids, right? Okay, that's enough. Okay, wipe it down. Hold on, let me hold on to that while you wipe it so I can take a...
now.
Can you explain what you're doing?
Just wiping the car down.
Yeah?
Mhm.
How often do you drive this thing?
Super often.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Who do you ride with usually?
Yesterday, a long time ago, I ride with Pearson. He's my cousin.
Uh-huh.
And he's a nice kid.
He's a nice
Talks a
kid?
lot.
He talks a lot?
Yeah.
What about you?
And he's the best kid.
He's the best kid. He's your best friend?
Best
Okay.
kid in the world.
Okay. What about school? What about you friends at school don't ride with you?
No.
Huh?
They don't. But Miss Devika knows how to get to our house.
She does.
Yeah.
I think that's it. I think that's good, huh? Let's not use too much spray because we don't want to waste it, alright? Because we want to save it for another day, alright? Okay. Let's move on to the next thing. Look at the camera. Okay, let's move on to the next thing. Huh?
Gotta wipe this down first. Let it dry.
Uh-huh. And then what? And then we're done?
Some more dirt things. Looks like
Okay, I think that's plenty, buddy.
looks like I'm going for a car wash here. Ooh.
Man, you're cleaning everything. Okay, let's finish up with that spray because I don't want to waste it. Let me give me a hand to that. You can wipe the rest. No, get out of the way of the bee. Come over here, because the bee likes to smell. Come here. There's a bee. There's a bee. You gotta run away, right, Eli? Huh?
Yeah.
What's the bee doing?
Hey, Daddy.
Yeah.
As long as we shop back this. Chop back some more. This. Oops. Oh my gosh.
That was a snap pop. Oh, it's not popped.